I'm Victoria. I'm the owner of the Botanical Bar. My grandmother was a florist and my mom was really into houseplants, and then I got into houseplants. And I really wanted something that reconnected me to nature. I just was visiting other plant shops in the city and I didn't see anything that reflected people who look like me, so I started the Botanical Bar. The hardest part, I would say, about being a small business owner is just being a small business owner. I don't think a lot of people understand how hard it is to compete with like big box stores and the work that it takes when you do everything yourself, from ordering your own products to doing social media to doing marketing to customer service. It's a lot, but I think our customers continue to show up for us, so it makes it a little bit easier. The best part about being a small business owner is actually kind of seeing your vision come to life. I have people who travel here from different states and cities to come to see the Botanical Bar. So it really makes those hard moments be special for me because I'm building something that is going to be here long lasting beyond me. And so that is the best part. It's just kind of seeing the growth of the business every day and kind of seeing your hard work pay off. We offer free workshops, and we've offered those for children, also kids in high school as well, and also senior citizens. My grandmother was a florist, and so, helping seniors is really important and connecting them with nature. And sometimes they're not able to get out in green spaces or go outside, so having a plant indoors really helps them. And also connecting young kids who may not be able to live near a park or something like that, really understand the benefits of nature, I think is really important. When I first started the business, I actually popped up for a full year in another women-owned business. So when I opened my own shop, I really wanted to ensure that I kind of expanded that. So a lot of the products that we sell are from women and women of color. There are so many moments when I realize, wow, this is so much bigger than me and so much bigger than just selling plants. So I've had so many stories where people have walked up to me and said, I came to one of your workshops, I met someone, now we're friends. And I have a lot of people that come in and just kind of take a deep breath and be like, oh, I love your space, I love this shop. And so it's just bigger than me now. I'm building something that is going to be here long lasting beyond me. To be recognized by QuickBooks and Mailchimp as a hero is amazing. It is confirmation that I'm on the right journey. It's confirmation that all of the long nights and the tears and also just kind of questioning myself if I'm doing the right thing is all worth it. And so I am forever grateful when people think of me and think I'm a hero, because I have so many heroes. And so it's amazing to be recognized by QuickBooks and Mailchimp for sure.